Rohit can win a prize if the total number of points he has scored after 5 games is at least 10. So you need 10 points to win. To win, you need 10 points. So this is clear. Now you get 5 chances. What type of game this is? This could be a game in a carnival where you throw tennis balls at some object, and if you can hit that object, you can get that object. This could be that type of a game. They're saying you get 5 chances, you get 5 games. That means you get 5 opportunities to get that score. So chances chances 5 chances. So you get 5 chances to get a total of 10 points. Now the marking system, the point system is when Rohit plays a game, the number of points he receives is given by this. The minimum point you can get is, since 0 is not a point, the minimum point you can get is 1, and the highest point you can get is 3. So in terms of points that you actually score a point, I'm ignoring 0 because you're not scoring any point at all. The score that you can get a score of 1 point, you can get a score of 2 points, or you can get a score of 3 points. So that is the point. It can be a dartboard. Maybe there's a dartboard on the wall and you have to hit a dart on that board, and you can hit 1 point or 2 point or 3 point. The main thing is you're getting 5 chances. This is the game. The first thing we need to understand what type of game this is. We need 5 chances and we have to gather a total of 10 points. The next information, after 3 games, the person Rohit has already played 3 games. 3 games played, and 6 points gathered. 6 points earned. If you have played 3 games already, now you have only 2 chances left. So you have 2 more chances left. If you already got 6 points, to get a minimum of 10 points, that means if you get more than 10 points, that is fine. You need at least, that means at least 10 points. If you get more than 10 points, then that is no problem at all. Obviously it's a good thing, but you cannot have less than 10 points to win. In order to win this game, you need at least 10 points, 10, 11, 12, that is fine, but you cannot have less than 10 points. 6 points is earned. So now in order to get 10 points, you need 4 more points. If you have 2 chances, how much score can you get in 2 chances? Since 2 chances are left, let me write this. 2 chances left. So the score for 2 chances can be, for getting a minimum of 4, you can get 4 by 1 and a 3, that is 4. You can get a 4 by, the ordering is very important in probability. 3, first 3 then 1, that is a 4. You can get a 4 by 2 plus 2, 4. You can also get 5. You need 4 points obviously, but you can also get 5 points by a 2 and a 3, that is a 5, and a 3 and a 2, that is also 5. And in the 2 chances that you have, you can also get a 3 and a 3, that is a 6. So in all these things, if you get 4 or a 5 or a 6 in your 2 chances, either way you're getting 10 or more than 10. That means you're winning. So in order to win, you need this. You need a 4, you need a 5, or you need a 6 in 2 chances that you have left. So let's find out the probabilities. So the presentation should be probability of 4 points means 1 and 3, 4. So 1 is 0.3 and 3 is 0.1, or you can get 3 and 1, that means 0.1 and 0.3, just the reverse, or you can get 2 and 2, that means 0.2 and 0.2. This does not have any ordering. So the probability that you get a total of 4 points, I should write points here. So the probability of getting a total of 4, the probability is 0.1. I'm writing addition here because you can either get this way 4, or you can get this way 4, or you can get this way 4. 5 points total. You can get 5 points in 2 ways, by getting 2 plus 3 5, or getting 3 plus 2 5. So you need a 2 and a 3, or you need a 3 and a 2. So the probability of 2 is 0.2. So 2, and the probability of getting a 3 is 0.1, or probability of getting a 3 is 0.1, and the probability of getting a 2 is 0.2. So if you calculate this, that would be 0.04. Finally, you can get 6 points by getting a 3 and a 3. So probability of getting a total of 6 points is a 3 and a 3. Probability of 3 is 0.01, and another 3 is 0.01, that would be 0.01. We know the probability of getting a total of 4 points is 0.1. We know the probability of getting a total of 5 points is 0.04. We know the probability of getting a total of 6 points is 0.01. Again, remember, we have 2 more chances left. We need at least 10. We can either get 4 points more, so our total becomes 6. Our previous score was 6. 6 plus 4, 10. Or we can get 5 points in our last 2 chances, so the total score of the previous 6 plus 5 is 11. Either way we win. Or we can get 6 points in the last 2 chances, so the previous score was 6 plus 6 becomes 12. In these 3 cases we win. So the probability of winning that game, meaning either you get a total of 4, or you get a total of 5, or you get a total of 6. So total of 4 is 0.1, or total of 5 is 0.04, or a total of 6 is 0.01. So this would be